how to make money on TikTok. So, without further ado, open your TikTok app and then tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on settings and privacy. Then, what you want to do is go to your account and then switch to business account if you want to be professional, and then go back again, tap on the horizontal dots, go to TikTok Studio, and there you'll see analytics like this. Here you'll find the monetization options available to you. Click on View All to what programs you can join. Remember, some monetization features require a minimum follower count. For instance, you'll need at least 10,000 followers to gain access to certain programs. If you're not there yet, don't worry. You can tap Notify Me when I'm eligible to stay updated on your progress. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.